Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make enchiladas salsa. First, begin by selecting your dried chilies. For a classic flavor, choose about 6 to 8 dried New Mexico or California chilies. You'll also need 2 to 3 ripe tomatoes, 1/2 of a white onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. These fresh ingredients form the aromatic base of your delicious homemade salsa. Don't forget 1/4 cup of chicken broth for richness. Next, roast your chilies, tomatoes, onion, and garlic on a baking sheet until they are slightly charred and fragrant. This step deepens their flavor significantly. Once roasted, remove the stems and seeds from the chilies, then soak them in hot water for about 15 minutes to rehydrate. Finally, combine all the roasted vegetables, softened chilies, and chicken broth in a blender. Process until you achieve a smooth consistency, adding a little water if it's too thick. Now, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Carefully pour your blended salsa into the hot oil. This crucial step, known as frying the salsa, helps to develop its rich flavor and vibrant color. Let it simmer gently for at least 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, allowing the flavors to meld. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin, adjusting to your taste. Your delicious homemade enchilada salsa is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm over your favorite cheese, chicken, or beef enchiladas for an authentic and satisfying meal. Any leftover salsa can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, making meal prep a breeze. For more great cooking tips and to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, check out the links and other deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.